Good day, viewers. So here we have a very interesting problem on bearing. It's a grade 9 mathematics. It says the bearing of a cafe from a school is 285 degrees. Find the bearing of the school from the cafe, meaning find the reverse bearing. Take a moment to pause the video and try to attempt the problem, and then play to cross-check your work. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified of new videos as to when we release them. Also, do not forget to refer our channel and our videos to people who might need them. Alright, let's proceed. The bearing of a cafe from a school is 285 degrees. The concept of bearing is that the first thing you do is to analyze the first value given. So it's a three-figure bearing, that's why we have 285. Now look, we have solution. The concept of bearing is more like a cross. This is the first quadrant, which covers a range of 0 to 90. And this is second quadrant, it covers 90 to 180. I'm sure you were taught. And this is 180 to 270. And this is 270 to 360. So this is the first thing, which is the fourth quadrant. This is the first thing you take note of in bearing, the position. So in all of these first, second, third, fourth quadrant, where will 285 fall under? So my 285 will fall under 90, 180, 270, 285. So it's inside the fourth quadrant. I've gotten the 285. So 285 falls under the fourth quadrant. Now I'm going to teach you the concept of connectives. I'm trying to show you simple clues that can actually help you to decipher all kinds of bearing problems. The connective for this is this. The connective for this is this. So everybody has their connective. So if I say the bearing of this one is 285, and don't forget, bearings are always measured from the north. Bearings are always measured from the north. So from the north, this is where the 285 can be found. So I cut and go up. So there is a connective for this, and what would that be? It will be this. So it means, you see, exactly what I drew, which is this. So it's this. So that was the connective for this. Okay? So all of this was the 285 degree. All of that was 285 degree. So I'll go back and analyze based on the bearing of a cafe from a school. That means this is the cafe and this is the school, because it was from the north of the school that was 285. Cafe from. So don't forget, bearings are always made from the north. So from the north of the school is 285. 285 from a school, from the north of the school to where it touches the line. So the 285 will be here, school will be here, cafe will be here. Why? The bearing of this cafe from here is this entire 285. So I have to find this remainder. How do I get the remainder? I'll do that by solving 360 minus 285. 360 minus 285. Alright, 10 minus 5 is 5, because I have to borrow. I'm left with 5 here. Okay, so 5 cannot subtract 8. Borrow left with 2. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have 75 degrees. That means there's a little 75 degree here to complete it 360. That 75 degree can also be found here by alternate rule. Okay, so alternate angle just means, let me quickly show you alternate angle. Alternate angle means somebody is hiding here, another person is hiding here. We are sharing the same straight line, but we are in an alternate position. So if 75 degree completes here, this part will also be 75 degree by alternate. So therefore, the bearing of the school from the cafe, that's some grammatical arrangement. From the cafe means from the north of the cafe to where it touches the line. Okay? From the north of the cafe to where it touches the line. So school from cafe means what will be cafe to where it touches this same line. And that will be the bearing that we're looking for. To get that, it's very simple. We've already seen angle on a straight line, which is this straight line, to be 180. So to get that, we've already seen this straight line to be 180 degree. This straight line is the 180. So the bearing I'm looking for is this region. okay, from the north of the cafe to where it touches that line, meaning all of this. To get all of that missing part, which is x, is simply 180 minus 75, meaning 180 minus this 75 that is known. X equals 75 degree. Okay, that's 105. X degree equals 105. So x is 105 degree. Okay, so the bearing of the school from the cafe is 105 degree, meaning from where the cafe's line touches, from where the cafe touches the line, this is the bearing, this region. Okay, so I'll quickly go through a summary of that. We had that there were 4 quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. First is 0 to 90, second is 90 to 180, third is 180 to 270, and fourth is 270 to 360. So finding the bearing, since it's 285, I'll check where my 285 falls, and it falls in the 4th quadrant. So I could make a curve, take it to the connectives of that, write down my 285, find the remainder that would have completed it, and that's 75. That 75 can also be here by alternate in the situation of this 75. So 75 is also here by alternate. So the bearing of the school from the cafe, meaning from the north of the cafe to where it touches the line, will be this 180 minus this 75 to give me this shaded region, which is 105 degree. Thanks for watching.